What's up, legends? It's been a long time, and in the following months, we got something very big, something that was unexpected. But here we are. What is this huge stuff? Let's dive in. I think you guys saw the title, so it's the Nintendo Switch 2, and people are so hyped about it. So, what is inside this Switch 2? So, it's kind of crazy, but here we are. We got Nintendo Switch before GTA 6. Can he come back? So this Switch 2 has a bigger 7.9-inch LCD display, 1080p with HDR10 and maybe even 120Hz refresh rate. And that is definitely smoother than the iPhone. Okay, so what's next? Something powerful. Yes, the Nevada chip with DLSS and ray tracing. Basically, they're giving it a tiny graphics card and saying, go crazy. Honestly, this thing might render my face better than my front camera. Okay, jokes aside, so what else does it have? It has a 5220 mAh battery. So it could give around 2 to 6 hours of awesome gameplay like Mario Kart or basically any game. So that's fun. But the Switch 2 hasn't come yet, so this is just my thoughts, and let's see if it can live up to its hype. It has a Joy-Con 2.0. It might have. I hope. It has a LAN port, 4K, and also it has 60 FPS. So it's also, I think it's going to be launched at $499, which is technically $500. Yes, it's painful, but surprising? Nope. It's Nintendo, but I hope every dollar or so yeah, it's bigger and stronger, better and modern. So let's hit that like button like it's Bowser's face. So drop a comment with your dream launch title, and I hope I make different content and more suitable and casual and not very professional, so I can stand out. But I hope you guys like my video, and if you have any like queries or doubts or improvements on this video, you can drop it in the comment. I will check it out. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Catch you next time. It's Ishan out.